Can this QuickBooks video simplify your financial management? Join us in this detailed tutorial from our expert trainer who walks you through each step. Let's get started.
Let's explore the captivating world of financial choreography in QuickBooks Online. In this module, we are diving into the art of making transfers and credit card payments, the nuanced steps that transform mundane transactions into a mesmerizing ballet of numbers and narratives. Let's start our dance with the elegant interbank transfers. Picture this. You gracefully navigate to the new menu, and under the enchanting column titled Other, you choose the option Transfers. The stage is set for a financial dance between bank accounts. Imagine the graceful movements between our checking account, Bank of America 1001, and our savings account, Bank of America 1005. QuickBooks provides a preview of balances, adding a poetic touch to guide us in our financial decisions. However, it's important to note that these transactions are not real-time magic. Rather, QuickBooks becomes the storyteller, recording transfers already orchestrated by the user through the bank's website or direct communication. Let's say there's a $2,000 transfer from checking to savings. With a memo added to narrate the purpose, the dance unfolds, creating a harmonious record of financial movement. Our financial ballet extends beyond mere movements between bank accounts. A grand leap into the world of balance sheet reveals the ability to transfer funds from a bank account to an asset or liability account. Picture this, shifting funds from the Bank of America 1005 to a realm known as prepaid expenses with a $5,000 flourish and a narrative of prepaid expense of insurance for the year. While transfer allows such diverse movements, it's advisable to reserve them for their original purpose of transferring between bank accounts. For tracking specific payee information, the screens of expenses or checks prove more fitting. As the curtain falls on the transfer act, another scene unfolds, the art of paying down a credit card. In this act, we click on New and navigate to the other realm, selecting Pay Down Credit Card. Similar to a transfer, this waltz involves taking money from a bank account to settle the balance of a credit card. The destination account, however, is exclusively a credit card. Here, a subtle difference emerges. A payee, a touch of personalization to the financial narrative. A mesmerizing dance of $1,500 flows from the bank account, Bank of America 1005, to the graceful American Express credit card. A digital transfer or electronic payment, adorned with optional memos and attachments, concludes with a click on Save and Close. But behold, the story can be told in another way. A regular transaction type, the transfer, also provides a portal to pay down a credit card. In this narrative, the source account, Bank of America 1001, orchestrates a $1,500 transfer to the credit card, American Express. As the tale unfolds, we enter the realm of the credit card register, witnessing both payment types, a different dance, yet harmonizing in the grand symphony of financial accounting. The chapter on transfers and credit card payments in QuickBooks Online gracefully concludes, leaving behind a trail of financial poetry and a stage set for future financial ballets. In this intricate dance of dollars and data, QuickBooks Online emerges as the choreographer, seamlessly orchestrating the movements of funds between accounts and providing a canvas for the financial narratives to unfold. So, dear users, continue to waltz through the world of digital finances, where every transaction is a step in the grand ballet of financial management. Until the next act, happy dancing.
Don't let your momentum stop here. Check out our recommended playlist for more helpful videos to boost your skills. Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content.